can notice in the surrounding that there is one shape which is majorly used by architects and engineers and most commonly seen in different structures like rooftop, bridges, etc. That shape is triangle. If you split the name triangle, tri means 3 and angles means corners made by two sides. Observe here, there are 3 non-collinear points. When you join together, it forms a shape, and these points are called vertices. That means if a shape have 3 sides and they form 3 angles, then it is called a triangle. Now we are familiar with the shape of triangle, right? So let us learn how to name this triangle. Triangles are written or read by using its vertices. Triangle ABC or triangle BCA or triangle CAB. Remember, triangle can be named by starting at any vertex and going serially either clockwise or anti-clockwise around the figure. It can also be written as triangle ACB or triangle CBA or triangle BAC. Now, what you know about triangles is it has 3 vertices, 3 sides and 3 angles, right? What else is there to know about triangles? Let us learn today how to classify triangles. One way in which they can be classified based on the length of their sides. The other way in which triangles can be classified is the measure of its angles. You may remember from our previous videos about angles that there are different types of angles. Let us revise the topic of angles a bit. If the angle is less than 90 degrees, it is called acute angle. If angle is exactly 90 degree, it is right angle. And if it's greater than 90 degree, then it's called an obtuse angle. This is how it looks. Triangles are also classified in a similar way. Look at this triangle. All the angles inside are acute. Look at this triangle. The one made from the right angle is called right angle triangle, and one which is made from the obtuse angle triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. But observe, each of our 3 triangles, the new angle that were formed when we close the shape are all acute angles. So, triangles always have at least 2 acute angles, and it's the other angle that determines what type of triangle it is. That's important to know, so you do not get tricked for any given triangle just because you see any one acute angle. That doesn't mean it's an acute angle triangle. You have to look at all the angles to tell if it's an acute angle triangle. Always remember, acute angle triangle has got all angles acute, and the remaining 2, obtuse angle and right angle triangle, has got at least one right angle and at least one obtuse angle in respective triangles. So, this was the classification of triangles based on angles. We can also classify triangles by their sides. If we pay close attention to the length of each side of a triangle, we can see that there are 3 possibilities. First of all, if all the sides of a triangle are exactly the same in length, then we call it is an equilateral triangle. To show that they are equal, we put the same mark on each of the sides. This tells us that all 3 sides are equal. Such triangles are called equilateral triangles. Remember, all sides have to be equal. Equilateral, the word by itself tells you that equi is equal and lateral is side. The other kind of a triangle which has two sides equal. Any two of the three sides can be equal. Such triangles can be said isosceles triangle. To show that they are equal, we put the same mark on two sides. This tells us that two sides are equal. And the third type of triangle is the one in which no two sides are equal. To show that they are unequal, we put the different mark on each sides. Such type of triangle is called scalene triangle. Remember, the length of each side of the scalene triangle is different from the other. Let us revise once. The equilateral triangle has three equal sides in their lengths. If you measure these three sides, you can find all three sides are of same length. Isosceles triangle has length of the two sides will be equal. And in the third triangle, scalene triangle, you can observe all three sides are unequal. Scalene triangle has no equal sides. So, this was the classification of triangles based on sides. Now, we know about how triangles are classified, right? Now, let us see how we can use them together. A scalene triangle can also be an acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. And an isosceles triangle can also be an acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. But things are different when it comes to an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is always an acute angle triangle because all three sides are exactly the same. So, all three angles must also be exactly the same. And since we cannot have more than one right angle in a triangle and or more than one obtuse angle in a triangle, so all the angles in an equilateral triangle must be acute angle. I am sure you must have understood the basic classification of triangles. In this video, we have learned a triangle is a closed figure made by joining three non-collinear points by line segments. Vertices, sides and angles are the parts of the triangles. I am sure now you are familiar with the triangle and its types. Let us learn more really important things about triangles in next video.